Picture a fruit so powerful, it's like a secret weapon in the fight against health ailments. That's the soursop for you, a tropical delight that's not only delicious but also packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. The soursop, also known as Graviola, is a superstar in the world of fruits. It is rich in antioxidants, which help fight off harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals can cause a range of diseases, including cancer, so by consuming soursop, you're essentially giving your body an extra layer of protection. Now consider the apple, often hailed as the epitome of a healthy fruit. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, they say. But here's a surprising fact. The soursop contains 3 times the amount of vitamin C found in an apple. Vitamin C is crucial for boosting immunity and promoting skin health, among other things. Then there's banana, a fruit loved by many for its high potassium content. Potassium is necessary for maintaining heart health and proper functioning of the body's cells, tissues, and organs. But guess what? The soursop contains even more potassium than a banana. How about the orange, known for its high vitamin C content? Well, the soursop has it beat there too. The soursop has twice the amount of vitamin C found in an orange. And let's not forget about fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system. It helps prevent constipation and promotes a healthy weight. The humble pear is often celebrated for its high fiber content. But you guessed it, the soursop contains even more fiber than a pear. So, the soursop is not just another fruit. It's a superfruit, packed with an array of nutrients that can boost your health in numerous ways. And yet, the soursop remains relatively unknown compared to other fruits. It's time to change that.